Hello, good morning everybody. Today is 9th of March. So today I'd like us to start our analysis with the chart on the screen. This is Gbp Usd. We do have very good levels on this chart, although the price has been in an active downtrend. So the first level I can see on this chart, this is where I'll be looking for. I do have a good level here. This is 1.32710. We have a support here. We had a support here. This is the first, and then the next level, which is also important, is this one here, and then we have yesterday's low, this one here. So as it is right now, we just want to see what happens if the price continues up and touches 1.31529, which is this level here. Then this will give us the ideal place to look for a sell from. So if the price can come back up and touch this level 1.31529, then this will be the ideal place to look for a sell from. And in case the price goes down and touches the lower one 1.30866, then this should be the correct place to look for a buy from. If the price should break above any of these levels 1.31525 or 1.30866, then this will be a for a sell from, or a break above this level will be a good place to look for a buy from. So the next symbol which I want us to look at is Euro USD. So with the USD, so far we've seen price continue to move to the lower side, following the fact that there's war between Russia and actually following the fact that there's an attack of the Ukraine by the Russian people. We've seen that the price has dropped drastically. It has been in active downtrend. If you check the Forex, you can have some very good trend lines. We have one there, and then we have another one at the bottom like this. Then we have a very good resistance here. We have another level here. This is another very good level. Then we also have another level here. So technically, as we speak now, the price is within a converging wedge formation. But if the price can go down and touch this level, this trend line here, then this will give us the ideal place to look for a buy from. So we just want to see what happens if the price comes down and touches this level. This will be a good place to look for a buy from. And if the price goes up and touches the upper trend line, then this will be a good place to look for a sell from. My next symbol is the US dollar, Japanese yen. So with the US dollar, Japanese yen, so far, if you check the monthly chart, we do expect sellers to take full control. But if you check the 1 hour chart, then the price should be continuing to the upside. So we have a resistance here, we have a resistance there, we have a resistance there. There is this breakout. As long as the price remains above 115.789, 115.75657, then this should give us the ideal place to look for a buy from. So we'd like to see what happens as long as the price remains above these two lines here. This will give us the ideal place to look for a buy from. So I hope what I'm saying makes some sense. Does this make sense? That we have a very good resistance here. So while the price is held above these two lines, this means that the price should continue to the upper side. The next symbol is the SP500. So as I mentioned yesterday, it looks like this instrument is in an active downtrend, but in truth, whatever we are seeing as a downtrend is just a correction. It's just like a reaction to the lower side. It does not signify that the price will likely extend lower than that. So as it is now on this chart, on the SP500 chart, the levels which I'm interested in are 4118.5 So as I was saying, on the SP500, we actually do expect price to continue to the upper side. We are looking forward for more buyers to continue to push price even higher. So despite the fact that it looks like the price is bearish, we are still interested in more buy positions on the SP500 chart. We are not going to sell it just yet. I'm going to focus strictly on the levels which I've mentioned just now. The other symbol is the Brent oil. So the Brent oil, so far we've seen price extend extensively to the upper side. We are very much biased on this chart. You can see that that's exactly what's happening here. So possibly this is because of the war, the current economic events, whatever is happening now. You all know that there is there's an attack between the Russia and the Ukraine economy, Ukraine. So this could be the reason why you are seeing that the price is actually extending much higher, is heading extensively to the upper side. So on this chart, basically, I won't be recommending any sell positions, especially as it is now. You can see that the monthly chart has actually gone beyond 126.365. So while the price is not breaking above this level, this should act as a good place to sell from. But if the price clearly ascends and break above it, then that will be a sign that we are now continuing to the upper side. My next symbol is gold. So on gold, so far we are also in an active uptrend. We had a very good resistance level here. You can see what has happened. The price has actually broken beyond it, and as we're speaking right now, the price is above 1974.38. So expect price to continue much higher, especially after this breakout here. If the next candle opens above this level, then we'd like to see some pullback before the price can continue to the upper side. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. So thank you and see you.